Tom Eister, the owner of Angelo Dent Removal, and we specialize in paintless dent repair.
Got this 2018 Honda Accord with a dent in the quarter panel that I will be repairing with the paintless dent repair process. Let's go ahead and get started. Another flawless repair, like it was never there. If you had damages similar to this, you're probably looking at about 2 or 3 hours of repair time.
Angelo Dent Removal would like to thank you for watching the video, and if you'd like to know more about paintless dent repair, feel free to leave us a comment in the comment section down below.